We do everything boosted, 1,000 horsepower and above. Main lines are obviously LS stuff, big block Chevrolet, and then obviously we do our SMX engine, which is our own all-billet water jacketed drag and drive 4,500 horsepower deal, capable deal, and then our SML, which is a LS base, so you'd be able to do a drop-in of any LS engine there, and that's all billet head, billet lock, water jacketed drag and drive 3,500 horsepower capable deal. So that's our main line stuff of what we're doing. Yeah, so I wanted to start doing stuff in-house, and so it was a matter of honestly who's the best has got the package all down, all together. I don't want to figure stuff out and figure out how to make some machine run or figure this tooling package out. I don't want to figure that crap out. I just want to cut parts. So obviously Centroid was the best option to do that. So that's where we're at. Just pony up and buy it.
Come and visit Centroid at booth number 5405 in Machinery Row. We will be there with a couple of our A560 5-axis engine shop CNC machining centers running live CNC cylinder head production the entire show. Stop by and check out all the action. Centroid technicians will be there to answer all of your questions. See you there.